Mistress don't pour hot oil for a married lover body. Oh. Stories that touches the heart. According to matter wey reach me, my people, they say the man get wife and children wey dey stay for Lagos, and the mistress dey for Abuja. Come see wahala. They come tell me say these people they don't dey together since so. Say no be today matter, no be 6 months ago matter. They say they don't dey together for a while now. And unknowingly to the man, the mistress don't they plan to kill her since. But if they find the way, the means and regulation, the means to do it, but he no get. And now 2 months ago, the mistress be done almost. They say the girl set fire out, say he won't kill this man. Now neighbors go help him out. Now he go back, continue. This one now the latest one. The man, he say he wake up, he go shower. As the lady mistress, he say this man do enter washroom, and so he sneak inside kitchen, heat oil. As the man they open washroom door, now oil greet am. Come see bolololo. I better put the video when they talk about.
Turn your face, devil. Hey, Jesus. Yeah. Raise your face. Raise your face.
What can I do to save my life?
Hey, this girl, she just poured somebody hot oil. A married man for that matter.
Once you need to go to station, let them see your body first.
Okay.
No, they can picture it.
I beg. It is to laugh for me. Una no look me like that. But before anything, because when they see this money, take they buy oil. Because I hear say oil don't too expensive. Oil don't too expensive. When they see this money buy oil, I need some because this. See, I no wan know this full story. Una no go understand. Even when they tell me the gist, now so I just cut them short. As I hear the part where I tell una now, the one wey concern me. I just cut it. I don't want to know wetin happen, how it happen, who they involve, who know they. May they keep the rest to themselves. The man, he good for am. Yes, so 2 months ago, you almost died. Your neighbors rescued you. You went back. Now they don't pour you oil. You they come outside. For me to do what? Make I tell you sorry. It is where? Is it me? I don't imagine. Stay one place. Stay one place with your wife. You say umba. You just dey jump like frog. You dey jump like frog. Now you don't see the one. The thing where you been dey fight now, you don't see. You don't dey come outside. They cry. I just dey wonder now. Waiting this man won't go to him wife. No, I just dey wonder. Like I dey imagine now. Waiting this man won't tell him wife. Now my question be this: say waiting go tell her I had an accident. I was attacked. Or no. Or there was a minor incident in the office. Bank they fry oil. I know because na banker. I never see you. I know I dey because me una help me find excuse because I still dey try find am. And for the girl, I don't believe in any nonsense rape. May they keep up. May they, I know. Now small thing they make me vex. He has been raping you. He has been raping you. That is why you went to carry oil and then you poured him oil. Somebody that's been raping you, you still a visitor. Una see the meet. And you're still asking for more, Mrs. Oliver Twist. No, they rape you. No, my people, see, leave that thing. Even if this thing are true, how come you never report and see? You know, since when these two don't they get the post, You no talk anything since now. Men, make una stop the cheat, oh. Stop the cheat. Especially if you are married. I beg. I didn't say if you are not married, you can cheat. I'm just saying, no, marriage is something serious. You don't understand. Na why some people dey go enjoy their life finish, once they marry they go put their head down for one place. Stop dey cheat. Na so this one now, how many seconds you for just lose your life now just on top nonsense? When you dey Abuja, you're a married man. When you are in Lagos, you are a, no, sorry, na the wife, abi? The wife dey, wetin dey call her? The wife dey Lagos. When you are in Lagos, you're a married man. When you are in Abuja, you're a single man. Ngwanu. Na so you go dey live your life. Equally. Abeg my people, na for here una go still know wetin happen, whether they arrest the girl, how the man dey treat am, wetin the wife even talk, you understand? Because I know say the wife go definitely come outside and do her own part of the video. So abeg no forget, na why una need subscribe, click on that notification bell. If not, you go miss my touch like this. I still want to know wetin una dey take, drop am for that comment section and make sure say you share this video. Who knows, the wife fit see am through your sharing. Very important, because we need that woman response. You understand? Stay tuned for our next story.